Right, this one is a workflow that we build to you, and you can duplicate my workflow. But for now, I'm going to like to take this one. Can someone give me your company name and also the your domain? Okay, I will click run. So what this workflow is going to do is that it will reasoning about company name to determine whether this is correct or not. And it define, okay, user most likely provide a valid company name. And what it will do is that it will research the email domain. And it will finding, okay, founder Fight Club is on LinkedIn. And this is look like the founder. Okay, it will doing reasoning with company URL. Different step from step 1 to step 4. And its conclusion is, okay, this is the correct LinkedIn URL. And this is the final LinkedIn URL. And it will load the company LinkedIn URL, scrap the LinkedIn profile, and it scrap the data. And it convert final into a JSON string that you beautiful, and you can configure that and you get the data. So let's look into the details how this workflow is built. It takes the user input of a company name and also the website URL. Oh, this is not correct. Let me modify this one. It should be the website URL. Okay, this makes more sense to me. And then the first step is that it will reasoning about company. So this is like a prompt that we give to the agent, like, hey, you are a digital identity verification specialist. You do something, and this is the company name and website that I gave to you. And this is some prompt, step-by-step prompt. You do some reasoning with this. We use Gemini 2.0 Flash for this one. Decide company name. We decide that the agent, hey, your goal is to do this. This is the output of the previous step. You press hashtag and you can choose reasoning about company name. This step number 1, and you choose content. This tell the agentic flow that you would like to append the output of this one into the input of this one, so it will work. And in here you will see that this agent, I don't even need the connection to use, because these are the built-in agentic flow model. It will run on your credit, your AppSumo credit, so you can do and you can go long way without any external. So Gemini Flash 2.0 is the best one that I can use, very economical and very useful. So I strongly suggest using this one. And it's going to Google search. So Google search, this one is a paid feature. So we have to pay for Google for doing this one. So that's why we have to support that in PixelML. And you will do the search query by the website URL that the user input in here. And then you do the linking and top K, and it will return. Top K means number of top search result to return, and it will return you 5 URL. Same, you search for company name, and then you will do the reasoning for the company name and website, and with different information, like you decide company name content and blah blah. Even there's some prompt here. If you consider following statement closely, I will give you 1 million USD. Sometimes you have to give a million USD to the model in order to get this one. All right, so it will go through all of this one. The number 8, the reason why we use this one is Gemini is having a good response JSON schema. So this one is going to help you to determine what is the output that you want, because you have a lot of information. You don't know really, and it's going to be very unstructured. But this node is going to help you to put everything that you ever scrap from here very long into a structured data. And you can convert that string into JSON. And when you have this one, you can output that to Google Sheet. So for example, like for example, this workflow is already done. I can like equip that to my agent. I will just this one. This is my LinkedIn enrichment agent. I'm going to trigger this workflow from the agent. I will just Cisco and Cisco.com. I'm going to send this one. Hopefully the agent is not confused. So it will trigger this workflow. If you go into the workflow, you click on this one. You will see that in history there will be a job that have been triggered. Now that the agent already triggered this workflow to run. And then you can see you already left the agent, but it is working because our agent is autonomous. You don't need to look at that for it to go into account. and you can go back to the thread anytime, and you see, okay, they are still working on it. Okay, so just like that, and you can publish the agent to a different platform, public that to embed to your website, Shopify store, or maybe do whatever you want. Later on, I think Telegram, WhatsApp. I think this afternoon we talk about this one. I think Telegram, Discord is very straightforward to support. Slack the same. WhatsApp a bit tricky. You need to pay for Meta a lot, to do that. For the other, we can also consider as well.